Testing. 1, 2, 3. In this auction is a B-9 robot sound chip. You can either hit the button right here.
All my computations are just worthless spots on my computer tapes. I will be fine.
Or it picks up sound. All you got to do is have sound, talk, and he'll blink. And in this auction, it's for the B-9 robot. However, I do have the same thing in Robby the robot in another auction, and he works the same way, and he has his own voice.
Quiet, please. I am analyzing. Obvious. Something is approaching from the southwest. It is now quite close.
So, they both light up when I talk. So see both auctions, or either one.